Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for Take. OnePlus Nord 2 is not dead. The development of this device is going silently. Currently, only 3 Android 14 basic custom ROMs are available for this device. We already reviewed this ROM and their flashing process from the OxygenOS 13. Their videos are given under the video description. Currently, I am using the 2x2 custom ROM from the long time and waited for the updates of all custom ROMs, but no update till the date we received for all ROMs after their initial releases. But as per the words of the developers, Android 14 ROMs will be directly updated to the Android 15 basis source size once we get the stable Android 15 update by the Google. It's a great news that OnePlus Nord 2 will get Android 15. Even OnePlus stopped its major software update after Android 13. But on the 1st June, developer already released the new Evolution X 9.0 for OnePlus Nord 2, but it was under testing phase and developer didn't release this build publicly. But I decided to test this build, and in my opinion, it's good enough to use it as a daily travel. In-depth review of this video along with the BGMI testing will be available after the installation video of new Evolution X 9.0. If you are using any other custom ROM like I am using 2x2 here, the flashing process is tricky. That's why I created this separate flashing video for switching between Android 14 based custom ROMs. This video will be helpful for all if you are already using the Android 13 or Android 14 based custom ROMs. Then please follow this video as it is. Please watch this video carefully without skipping for better understanding of installation process. Now without further delay, let's get started.
On a new adventure.
I assume that your device bootloader is unlocked and you are using any Android 13 or Android 14 basic custom ROM on your OnePlus Nord 2. If you are on the OxygenOS 11 and want to flash the Android 14 ROM, then you need to upgrade to OxygenOS 13 first and then enable the fast boot and BROM mode. Its video link is given under the video description, and then proceed to follow this video. Keep your device USB debugging option enabled in the developer setting. Now power up the device and then long press all the buttons like volume up and down and power button. This will boot your device into this bootloader screen. Now connect phone to the PC. Now you need to download the Evolution X recovery and full ROM zip file given under the video description. Remember, if you are using the Evolution X or the Lineage OS ROM and want to switch to 2x2, then you need to download the recovery and ROM zip file as per the ROM which you want to switch. Place both the files inside the platform tools of the C drive in your PC. There open the PowerShell window by pressing the Shift key of keyboard plus right click of your mouse at the same time. Select Open PowerShell window from the drop down menu. Now in the PowerShell window type fastboot devices. You will see your device ID in the CMD. If you get this, then type fastboot flash recovery and drag the Evolution X recovery in the PowerShell window and hit enter. Once flashing gets done, type fastboot reboot recovery. You will see your device will boot to this Evolution X recovery. In the recovery, select apply update, then select apply update from the ADB. Now in the PowerShell window type ADB sideload and drag the full ROM zip file and hit enter. You will see such type of progress bar of flashing in the PowerShell window. On the phone you will see flashing of some files like system, vendor, boot, etc. All the flashing will take 10 to 15 minutes. Once done in the PowerShell window, you will see 1x for notification, and on the phone you will get the message like flashing done without error. Now select the option factory reset. Next select format data. Once format gets done, go to the home screen of recovery and there tap reboot to system. That's it, your device should boot to your desired ROM. Here my device booting to the Evolution X 9.0 XYZ. Tomorrow the in-depth review of this test build I am going to release, so I think you should wait for the video before directly flashing this ROM, because there I discussed everything about this ROM like its pros, cons and the bugs. For now you can keep all the files ready for flashing, and once after watching the in-depth review of ROM you can flash it on your device. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked my work. Then please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming content for OnePlus Nord 2. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.